Air filters. We all have them and we should all replace them, which is why today I'll be showing you how to replace yours on your Yamaha XT250. First off, underneath the bike you're going to find two 8mm bolts which you need to remove. With those bolts gone, you can remove the seat. All you need to do is push it forward and lift it up. Underneath the seat, you're going to find the airbox cover. To remove it, there are two number 3 Phillips screws holding it in. Once those screws are gone, you can remove the airbox cover and you can take out the air filter. And it's out. Now you can throw it away and install the new one. And that's how to replace your air filter in your Yamaha XT250. If you enjoyed it, I'd appreciate a like or a comment. And if you want to see more, feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching.